Hello everyone, bonjour les amis and welcome back for a new episode of Enjoy with John. Today we are in Bangkok and we're gonna go visit a rooftop restaurant, so see you there! And there you go, my guest is here today. Hello Alex! How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, thank you.
Tell us who you are, Alex.
Alex Fisher, famous DJ in Bangkok.
So where we go, Alex, today?
Today we going to NIMITR restaurant.
I hope you are hungry.
Yeah, starving.
Starving. Let's go.
Let's go.
You must be Maxime.
It's me.
Chef Maxime, nice to meet you. I'm John. This is my friend Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for having us today.
Welcome to 137 Villa. Tonight we will concentrate on the rooftop NIMITR upstairs. Please follow me.
Oh la la! Wow!
Amazing.
Amazing!
Super nice view. Huh? And super shiny.
And we're gonna be here for the sunset. That's amazing. We are super lucky today. The weather is nice. It's not too hot.
We are in Soy 39.
Voilà, we are on Sukhumvit, Soy 39 at 137 Pillars. And that's a fantastic space that Maxime will make us discover today. Wow, Alex, did you see? Look at this.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Scary.
That's very scary. Oh la la, we are so high. So Maxime, where are you from?
I'm from France. I'm the executive chef of this hotel. Before moving to Thailand, traveling around the world. I used to work in different countries as Kazakhstan, Mauritius Island, Bora Bora, UK, Denmark.
What are we gonna have today?
I will present you some few tapas that we created a few months ago, and we are quite proud of it. It is nice to have it with a cocktail, with a drink, at the sunset.
Mm-hmm.
It's little bites you can enjoy with your friends, sharing, fresh.
Okay. All right, chef, we are looking forward to trying your cuisine.
Great. I'm going kitchen.
I am in the kitchen of NIMITR and we're gonna show you a bit the preparation.
Mocktails.
And this one mocktail is flamenco mocktail.
Flamenco.
This one almond pie.
Almond.
Almond pie.
Almond pie.
This
Thank
please.
you.
Mocktail.
It's okay.
Very nice, very colorful.
Let's try. Orange juice. Lemon. And some soda, something like this. Tasty. Very refreshing.
Fresh. Perfect for sunset time, but we are waiting for the food now.
Yeah. I want to eat so bad.
The food is here.
Ah, oh la la.
Look great.
Alors,
What do we have today?
sauté of shrimp harissa sauce, foie gras glazed with pomegranate,
Foie gras, French style.
truffle chaud,
truffle choux.
Ah, so cute.
Oyster fin de clair,
Number 3.
fresh. Number 3.
Number 3. Oyster. Oh là là.
Sauce, condiment to go with them.
Amazing.
Tuna tartare tarte.
Tuna tartare tarte. Ok.
Chicken liver millefeuille.
Oh là là.
And the last one, crabe éclair.
Fantastic. Oh là là. That looks great, Maxime. Honestly, well done. Huh? I mean, in appearance, it makes us already in super good appetite.
I hope so.
So we will come back soon for the feedback about all this. But thank you so much. That looks lovely, and I hope we can manage, Alex and I, to finish all your fantastic tapas.
Please enjoy. Bon appétit.
Thank you so much. See you.
Look very nice. Look very nice. It looks like a patisserie, how do you say? Bakery style?
Pastry, bakery, yeah,
Bakery.
yeah,
Mixing
like
with,
canapé.
Canapé, yeah.
Yeah, canapé.
Finger food.
Okay, so now that we have the food with Alex over here, we will come back to you for the taste.
So let's try the canapé.
The éclair.
Éclair with some crab. Tasty. You can feel the crabs. A little bit spicy, well seasoning.
The tuna tartare tart. It's very nice.
Chicken liver millefeuille. Everything I try, very nice. I like the harissa sauce in general, so let's see. Could put more. I like when it's very spicy. You know, in Thailand we like spicy, so you can push it more, Maxime. Don't worry. Maybe my favorite for now.
The foie gras?
Nah.
I agree. I have a preference so far for the tuna tartare tart, I would say.
Maybe a crush of pepper.
That was nice. And I like also the foie gras and the shrimp. To me, that's the highlight so far.
My favorite is shallot with vinegar, French style. Perfect.
Et ben voilà, c'est terminé. We ate all the tapas. As you can see, there is nothing left. Personally, I enjoyed very much. Preference for me for the tuna tartare tart. I also like the crab éclair. And foie gras and the shrimp was very nice. I have to say, presentation is nice. You feel like you are in a 5-star hotel or 5-star place. Beautiful view. I will certainly come back here. I'll be very happy to discover more next time. What about you, Alex?
For me, was very looking good presentation of all the dishes, I can say. Especially the shoe look like a little garden with the flower look like a little bit like butterfly. For me, my favorite, I can say, was the foie gras. Well combination with salt and sweet. Place is very nice, comfy seat, very nice view. Now today the little bit cloudy, but we have a nice weather anyway. And yeah, I will recommend this place so far. Very nice.
Thank you so much, Maxime, for your time and for your invitation today.
My pleasure.
We had a great experience with Alex at NIMITR restaurant rooftop at 137 Pillars, and we will be very happy to recommend your place to all the enjoyers of John who will watch this video today. Is there anything you will be happy to offer if they come visit you?
As we are happy to welcome you today, John, we are happy to welcome all of you. For a dinner, we offer you a mocktail if you use the promo code John at 137.
Et ben voilà, so if you come for dinner at 137 Pillars at NIMITR Rooftop Restaurant, you just have to say the promo code John at 137, and the team and Maxime will be very happy to offer you one mocktail of your choice during your dinner. Thank you so much again.
Pleasure.
All the best.
You too.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked Alex, my guest of the day, if you liked Maxime, the great chef of NIMITR Restaurant, you can put a like on the video. And if you haven't done it yet, you can also subscribe to the channel so you can continue to support my work. And I will be very happy to show you more episodes of Enjoy with John coming very soon. Thank you so much again for your support. À bientôt. Bye bye.